Hello, in this video you will see a demonstration of the DBRaptor ETL package. What does this program do? It is a powerful ETL tool for data migration. In other words, it imports data from structured, tabular and semi-structured or even non-structured text files into a database. Why should you choose DBRaptor? How is it different from other popular programs in the ETL business? After watching this video, you will definitely be sure that with this tool it will be very easy and fast to migrate data from a large number of files with a complex internal structure of the content into databases. This tool is much easier to use than any other tools in the ETL world, and data migration job can be done in the fastest way imaginable. In order to avoid questions about the staged nature of this show, I placed an analog clock here on the screen, and you can see that everything is happening in real time. Please don't be surprised that the interface of the program is covered by a virtual veil. This is done intentionally to hide our precious know-how from insidious competitors, but nonetheless you can be sure that everything happening on the screen is not a setup and definitely not a trick. As you see in this video, I placed 100 files in a catalog named 100 files, mocking data migration project catalog. I will also create a subdirectory, results, in this catalog. So let's create it. With this directory, we will be collecting imported results. And finally, at the end of data migration process, you will see a couple of simple tables containing all data from 100 individual files. The content of our test file looks like this. So let's open the example. Okay, so you can see that it consists of several areas. One important area is this one. You can see that all data is scattered in various cells in this Excel spreadsheet. For example, this value, date, company name, location, etc. And also you can see multiple tabular areas here. 1, 2, 3. And at the footer of this file you can see comment section. So in this demonstration we will concentrate on importing data from this area and this area. So let's start the program and start specifying source information and destination information. Like, first of all, let's go to our settings and specify catalog for data migration source files. Then we go to specify results folder for imported results. Okay, it's done. And now we will teach system how to read data from source files into a destination subtable. Okay, let's open the first file in a row. Let's go to this example file. Okay, and I am specifying the area of this header information and start teaching system how to read special cells of values from Excel file into a subtable. So I go here, once I teach system how to read source file, I go and specify tabular area connection with destination file. So this is done, and now I'm creating tabular area subtable, and I have to specify the extent of this area. Starts from 14, goes to 21. Okay. So we finished with tabular area, and now we can start teaching machine how to transform data from subtables into a relational database system. Okay, let's create first table. It is pump test. We will use this table name for this purpose. 100 files, pump test, and I highlight fields which I will use as my destination list. And I simply marry my source location with destination location. Okay, this is done. Now we can switch to test run table, this tabular area, and also we call it test run 100. In this table we use pressure, torque, time and volume efficiency, and also go to source definition and specify connection. Okay, this is done. We will create a preview for each sub area and look into this preview results. It's great. And now we're ready to start importing data. Okay, job is done. And now we have our pump test results in this table, 100 files. Oh, sorry, 100 rows. And test run as a child table, we have 700 rows. We export this into Excel spreadsheet. First table and second table. Voila. And let's go to our results folder. Now we see two files. Let's open one of them. Open, and as you see we have 100 lines sitting in this table. And also if we find this table and open it, you see that we have okay, all data is here, and we have 700 rows in this table. Don't worry about those empty cells. They are empty because in original file there is no data for line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so all job done within a couple of minutes, and thank you very much for your attention. I'll be waiting for your letters. Please send us samples of your files, and we will evaluate how long would it take to DBRaptor to migrate data from real amount of similar files into a relational database. and this service is absolutely free, and you will be surprised how fast we can do job for you. Thank you.